Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It is 4 o'clock. I know it's 4 o'clock because I just posted on the gram. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. Like, I am so cute today. Like, first of all, my top, my sweats, and then my house slippers, they all match. It's so cute. It's such a satisfying feeling. So not only did I wake up early this morning at 5 a.m, did my entire morning routine exactly how I set for myself to do, which I'm gonna film for you guys after this vlog. I'm gonna film my morning routine so you guys can see it. But like, I read my book, I journaled, I went to the gym. I had like a full day. Also, you guys, I received these beautiful flowers from a brand, so I decided to put them out in the living room. I have some here, and then I also have some here on my dining table. It's such a good feeling having flowers in the house. Okay, so now I'm matching also with the coffee. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Get into it. Guys, I wanted to unbox some packages that I received this week. So let's unbox these together. This is my third coffee today because I woke up at 5 a.m. I'm getting really sleepy right now, but I know I can't take a nap. I cannot take a nap because I've got shit to do, okay? I basically filled out my whole calendar for today with like things and tasks to do and like fun things, but then also like work things, because I'm like, if I'm waking up at 5 a.m, I better have the whole day planned out. Otherwise, like, what am I waking up at 5 a.m for? So I want to get as much work as possible done throughout each day. So this is my process behind waking up really early. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one, Para Medona, and they sent me the cutest bikini. So this is the bikini that they sent me. This is the top, it's like frilly, and then I also got the bottoms, and this is what they look like. And then they also sent me this dress. It looks like this, and it's like a mini dress. This little package that I got from MCM, they sent me the cutest phone cover, and it's in collaboration with the XOU Zuzu. So this is what the phone case looks like, and then the cutest part about it is that it comes with like a strap that you can like put around to carry your phone in. It's like a cute little phone holder to wear it like so, and then just walk around. It's gonna be super handy on days when I'm like running errands. Next, I got this dress, cute little handwritten note, and let me show you guys the dress. This is what it looks like. And then it's like a little mini situation. This is gonna be a cute little Instagram moment. I also received a package from Hindash, and congratulations to this man, one of my favorite people in the world. This is the package. This is what the, one second. Okay, this is what the palette looks like. It's called Monochromance, and it's pressed pigment. Oh my god, the purple and the blue. We've got 3 lip colors. This is the first one, and it's this deep red, Rest in Roses. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's called Boy Tears. It's called Color Fluid. I'm assuming this is like a, it's like one of those situations where you can, I think you can like put this on your eyelids or lips or whatever. I think so. And this is the shade, so pretty. It's not my shade though, unfortunately. And then we've also got 2 eye tone and lip tone. So I'm guessing one is like a lip liner and the other one is a, I ripped the packaging. The other one is a pencil liner. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my god, wait. Okay, we love. Okay, this is going into my makeup bag. I'm not even gonna put it back into the box. And ooh, pretty. It's like a pretty brown. I also love using his eyeliner. I'm wearing the eyeliner right now, the liquid liner. So far, all the products that I've tried from Hindash, 10 out of 10. Next is this perfume that I got. Okay, bear with me. I don't know how to say the brand name. Narciso Rodriguez. I hope I didn't butcher that. I make it a point to go on YouTube and learn the correct pronunciation of each brand name, because as somebody who, like, my name is Idil and people never pronounce my name right, like never. So because of that, I make it a point to like make sure to pronounce people's names right. And the worst thing that I could do as me, as D, is pronounce someone's name wrong. So I always make sure to like learn how to pronounce it. If I don't know how to pronounce it, I ask or I Google it. So didn't get a chance to Google this before opening this package, but Narciso Rodriguez. If not, then I'm so sorry. So this is the perfume. It's the Musk Noir Rose. And at the event, they had like a little customization section. So they engraved my name on it, which is really cute. But the perfume, 20 out of 10. It smells so good. It smells so rich. So that is it for my unboxing. I'm gonna try to do one every week. Like I'll just like collect all the packages and like unbox them for you guys once a week. Because this was fun. This was really, really cute. So let's chat. Tonight I have dinner with my management and everyone from the UAE talent. So we're just gonna go to Bussola. It's like a cute little restaurant, and we're just gonna have dinner and just catch up and chat. I really love working with my management because like we're kind of like a little bit of a family vibes. Like everybody's like so nice and sweet, and everybody tries their best to make sure that you are taken care of. And like ever since I started working with them, I've been like really happy, and I feel a lot of pressure lifted off of me to like negotiate my own deals. Like they are amazing, and they like my manager is a saint. Helena, if you're watching, you're a saint. I love you. It'll be nice to like take you guys with me. This time I will take you guys with me and introduce you to everyone. And I'm gonna take my film camera with me. I still haven't used it. I'm gonna take it tonight to use it. I don't know if you guys remember, I bought a film camera from Flick and I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna take it out tonight. So this is the skirt that I want to wear tonight. It's like a really long skirt with like a slit here and like little ruching detail here. I think the perfect top would be this one. It's like a bodysuit, but the neckline is super, super low, which means that if I bend, there might be a little accident. This is cute as well, but I feel like it's super simple. I feel like it's really simple, but I'm not sure. And then I like this one, but I also feel like it's really, really simple. So I'm gonna try them all and decide which one to go with. So I just got ready for dinner, and this is the outfit. I just went with a simple black suit. I really, really love this one. And then I'm wearing this fun little clutch. It's like dollar signs. Yeah, this is the little outfit. I need to get going, otherwise I'm gonna be running late, and that is extremely impolite. So I'm gonna book my Uber right now and I'm gonna get going. Hi.
Inter was like, Enrico is so cool.
You really are, babe.
Inter Milano, when they came, they were like, we invite cool people, like Enrico is so cool. I was like, yeah, duh.
No.
Okay guys, little vloggy vlog.
Yeah, just eat right.
Is this pork for the Muslims?
I don't think there's pork here.
Here, I think there is.
Vlog footage.
Check that booty go, check that booty go, check that booty go.
Guys, let's try the bathroom. We're trying to find the bathroom. Wait, Clarkmore, you're not going to the bath? You're coming to the bathroom?
I need to go pee. I need to go change my pad.
Wait, women?
Women.
Okay.
Ladies first.
Bye.
Ladies first.
Okay, so we're using the bathroom. Vlog footage.
So basically, D is peeing now. You guys don't know about this now, but I told you. This is my fit for the ball dinner. It's from Jaded. I'm carrying these fucking bag. It's so cool. I love it. We love it. This is another mirror to show my fit. And again, here, look at my fit. What is going on? Woo! Okay, bye. I'm like vlogging from her camera. This is Helena.
Hey.
Hey.
So my fit is
This is her fit.
leather jacket thrifted.
Ooh. We love a fucking conscious queen.
We don't do fast fashion.
We hate fast fashion.
How dare you even say that? Like,
I know, but like it's blurred. How do we do this? Like make it more.
oh shit, I don't know technology.
Okay, whatever. We don't like technology here. We like conscious shit. So we hate fast fashion. Her jacket is thrifted basically, and it's super cool. Is it vegan leather? Arabic. What does it say? Arabic.
Exposing me. It says you can read it. You read Arabic?
Yeah.
I'll show you. Thank you.
Okay, so we're heading out right now.
انت قاعد في
Not deep vlogging on the.
We're going to Miss Lily's. Now me remember to vlog when it's time to go. Yalla, fight.
Let's fight, bro. Come, everybody, bring your fridge and come to us. We go fight, Miss Lily.
Yalla.
Here.
No, my car is
Subscribe
that way,
and
babe.
like my
Babe,
channel.
car is that way.
Subscribe and
Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you share it to your friends because why? Because we're the baddest up in this game. Let's get it.
the baddest.
What you gonna do?
I'm doing my job, Miss Manager. This is what doing my job looks like.
Yes, we're doing this.
That's why I'm